So you want to be a YouTuber like Mr. Beast or PewDiePie, but you don't know how to get started? You are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube account and become a great YouTuber like the others out there. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and bell button to get notified when we release a new video. But the number one requirement needed to create your own YouTube channel is a Google account. So if you didn't watch my previous video on how to create your own Google account, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and there's a card up there, and there'll also be an end screen at the end of this video so that you can get a chance to watch that video. So kindly watch this video to the end. Let's get informative.
So what we want to do is click on this profile button, then move to add another account, which will open a Google sign-in page for us. Then we'll click on use another account. Then in the email, input the email address we'll be using to create our YouTube channel, which is the tutorialgeek801@gmail.com, which I did a video on it on how to create a Google account, which I'll leave the link in the description box. Then next, then clicking next, the next we want to do is input our password. So we'll input our password. So inputting our password, you can see it loading. Then we are welcomed by this new page, which is our logged in account. So the next thing we want to do is open YouTube under Tutorial Geek. So open YouTube, and after it has loaded, what we want to do is click on our profile, then click on switch account, and we'll open YouTube with Tutorial Geek. So opening YouTube with Tutorial Geek, we want to click on our profile, then click on create a channel. So creating a channel, so what name do you want to name our channel? So we'll leave it with Tutorial Geek. Then we'll choose a handle. So for the handle, we'll do it at tutorial_geek. Tutorial_geek. So you can see it has been accepted. Then we'll leave the profile picture as what it is for now. Then we'll just click on create channel. So congratulations, you can see that our channel has been created, and so you should check back in few moments. So we want to move back to home and see, then move back and click on our channel to see. So you can see our channel with the name Tutorial Geek, our profile, our handle. You can see we have no subscribers, no videos, and more about this channel.
It's such a relief. We now have our own YouTube channel, so you can now start posting videos and become great like Mr. Beast and PewDiePie and other great YouTubers out there. If you love this video, I recommend you giving this video a thumbs up and let me know what other video you want me to do in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Bonote Nicholas Boy with Tech TV. See you in the next video. It's bye for now. Peace.